All right, let's quickly wrap up week 3, and then we'll look ahead to week 4. So for your discussions, most of you got in this week. Good week in the discussions. I'll be grading those tomorrow. As I'm pulling over here to your lab assignment 3, there's quite a few of you that need to get this submitted. So let's get going here. We are past the halfway point of the class. So we're down to less than 2 weeks left in the class. So I don't want you going into last week down a bunch of assignments. So let's get those in. I will get those graded again tomorrow sometime. As I'm looking back from week 2 still, the learning assessment, there's a few of you that still need to take that. Let's get that done. We also have a learning assessment this week, so let's make this our week in getting caught up. And lastly, to close out this week, the virtual instructor meeting. So we had a good meeting. A few of you I have made up with those already with phone calls. Looks like there's a couple of you here on the grade sheet. We still need to do that. So send me a text or call me up. Let's get a date and time set up. We can talk, take care of this with a phone conversation. All right, so for week 4, we will be going over hearsay and its importance to courtroom testimony. So for discussion this week, we're going to be covering hearsay. It can be very confusing at times, even for those that are attorneys and practicing law. So the question is, if it's so confusing, why don't we just get rid of it? So hopefully you can define hearsay in your own words and why it is important. And then also, lastly, for the discussion, go over what questions you have about hearsay, and then hopefully between all of us, we can answer those questions together. Okay, for your lab assignment for this week, you're going to first watch a video that covers problems with eyewitness testimony. Then after watching the video, write a 1-page paper on what you learned here and how it will assist you in the future. Okay, then again, lastly, as I covered earlier, we have learning assessment 4 to complete this week. And again, I'll go over it for the people that didn't make the Zoom meeting or do a phone call with me yet. Let's get that taken care of so we go into week 5 clear and current on all our work. Okay, as always, if you need any help, just give me a call or text me or send me an email. All right, good luck to all of you in week 4.